Vinara wa upinzani wameweza kupotezea taarifa iliyoweza kutolewa na kiongozi wa wengi katika bunge la kitaifa Bwana Kimani Ichung'wah. Ameweza kusema kwamba Azimio haipo kwenye ripoti ile na matakwa ya wanaazimio hayajaweza kuwekwa kwenye ripoti ile, na kwa hivyo watu waweze kutulia, waweze kupata taarifa itakayofuata.
Yes, good afternoon. I'll read the statement. Our stand on talks to resolve crisis. Yesterday, Kenya Kwanza released a one-sided statement signed by Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah that they claimed to incorporate our views. We disowned the statement by Honorable Ichung'wah. Azimio had nothing to do with it. Its contents were those of Kenya Kwanza, their wish list. We wish to clarify as follows. 1, we remain committed to dialogue and a peaceful resolution of the social, economic, and political problems the country is currently witnessing and that threaten the lives of millions of our citizens. 2, in that spirit, we sanctioned a meeting between our leadership and that of Kenya Kwanza under the facilitation of His Excellency Olusegun Obasanjo. 3, this initial meeting was to prepare ground for honest discussions of the issues we have been raising and those that Kenya Kwanza feels like raising. The meeting was therefore a talk about envisioned talks. 4, we take this early opportunity to thank His Excellency Obasanjo for offering himself as